Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a pencil holder. So in this you can put your markers, pens, and pencils. So start off with a square piece of paper and fold it in half, like so. Crease well. Now open it up and you should have a crease in the center, and you're going to take this side and you're going to fold it to the center crease. You will crease well again. You're going to open it up and you have two creases here. Now you're going to take this one and you're going to fold it to this crease. So I'm going to take the paper and fold it here. Next, you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it to this line, like this. Now, you're going to fold your paper like this to have a good crease. You fold this edge, then you're going to fold it again in so you have a good crease, and then you fold this in to have a good crease. Next, you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it in here, like so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this in. You're going to take this and you're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to flip your thing over, take this edge and fold it. You crease it well. This crease is really important so your holder will stay intact. Now you're going to flip it over, and last thing, you don't want your things to come out from the bottom, so you're going to take it, flip it over, fold it up a little bit. And now what you will do is you can decorate your pouch and put things inside it. Now you can see that your pencil holder or pouch is ready. So here are your pencil holders, and we would really like you to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.